In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Slack account. If you're stepping away from a workspace, joining a new team, or simply cleaning up old accounts, deactivating your Slack account is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, open Slack on your computer, either in the desktop app or your web browser, and make sure you're in the workspace you want to manage. On the left sidebar, look for the admin option. It's typically visible if you have the right permissions in that workspace. Click Admin to open the admin controls for that workspace. From there, select Workspace Settings. This takes you to the area where you can review and manage how the workspace is set up. It's a good place to double-check that you're in the correct workspace before moving on. Next, look to the very bottom left corner of your Slack window and click your account name. A small menu will appear. Choose Account Settings from that menu. This is where you control your personal account details connected to Slack and this specific workspace. Inside Account Settings, head over to the Settings tab. This is the section that includes the option to deactivate your account. Take a moment here to read any notes Slack shows about what deactivation means. Generally, deactivating removes your access to the workspace and hides your profile, but your past messages and files may remain visible to others, depending on the workspace's policies. Before you can complete the deactivation, there's an important requirement. If you own any workspaces, you'll need to transfer ownership to someone else or delete those workspaces first. Slack won't let you deactivate your account while you're the owner of an active workspace. If you're not sure whether you're an owner, check the workspace's admin area, or ask a current admin to confirm. Once ownership is transferred or any owned workspaces are deleted, you'll be able to proceed. When you're ready, choose the option to deactivate your account in the Settings tab and follow the prompts on screen. Slack may ask you to confirm your choice. After you confirm, your access to that workspace will be removed. That's all. You've now deactivated your Slack account for that workspace. If you use Slack in multiple workspaces, repeat these steps in each one as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you finish the process with confidence.